Whole world knows that Indian cuisine is oh so flavorful, and today we are doing world's famous butter paneer or paneer butter masala. Hey guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Take 200 grams of paneer and cut into cubes like this. Paneer is Indian cottage cheese and is made from milk. So if you are a vegan, replace paneer with tofu and you're good to go. Then you need to roughly chop 1 onion, 1 tomato, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies or Thai peppers, 1-inch piece of ginger, and here I've soaked 15 cashews for 2 hours. So I'll show you. These are whole cashews. If you are using split cashews, please double the quantity and take 30 instead of 15. Then here I've taken some whole spices, 3 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, the big ones, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. You can also take fresh bay leaves if you have. Then take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the butter melt, then add ginger and garlic. Give it a stir, then add all the chopped pieces of onions. Now make sure you sweat these onions until they become translucent. We don't need to brown them, just caramelize a bit. So saute them and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now peel and add both the cardamoms, the green and the black ones, cloves, cinnamon stick and green chilies. Mix and cook everything for a couple of minutes, then add tomatoes and soaked cashews. Let everything cook for a few minutes, then in a separate bowl take half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder is optional, but do add it if you want that nice and vibrant color. Then add a dash of water to these spices, mix it and then immediately add it into the pan. Add half a cup of water, then mix and cook for 3-4 more minutes. Add salt as per your taste, then switch off the gas and let it cool down. We need to blend this into a smooth puree, so if you don't have enough time to let it cool down, you can add 4 to 5 ice cubes into the blender while blending, like me, and you'll be sorted. Add 2 teaspoons of yogurt into this. If you are a vegan, you can skip it or add any plant-based yogurt. If you feel like, you can also add little bit of water while blending. Now, in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter and 2 teaspoons of ghee. This is desi ghee. This is an Indian clarified butter. Ghee is very important if you want that authentic traditional Indian flavors in this recipe. Add both the bay leaves and then add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it for a while, then add half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 finely chopped tomato. So basically we need 2 onions and 2 tomatoes for this recipe. 1 onion and tomato for the gravy and the other ones for the tempering here. Then add some salt and let this sauce cook for 5 minutes. Then add all the puree we made into this. Take some water in the same blender jar, swirl it and pour everything into the pan. This step will ensure nothing gets wasted. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. Vegans can absolutely skip it or use 1 teaspoon of cashew cream. Now let it come to one boil. Then add all the paneer cubes we cut in the beginning. Now if you want, you can also shallow fry your paneer cubes before adding into it. I personally like them raw, so I never fry my paneer, but you can do as you like it. Now finish it up with some crushed Kasuri methi. These are dried fenugreek leaves. Just crush them with your fingers and drizzle over the curry. Also check once and adjust for the salt here. And that's it guys. Mix everything and serve it hot. Just be careful, do not break the paneer cubes as they are buttery soft. This rich and creamy Indian curry made with paneer, spices, tomatoes, cashews, butter, ghee. Oh my god. This is surely gonna take you to heaven the moment you taste it. So enjoy it with naan, rice or any bread you like. Bye.